Hello students. So as of now we completed our basic mathematics bridge course. So we will see some problems regarding those topics. So here's the first question, like find the angle between the vector A is equals to I cap plus j cap and B is equals to I cap minus j cap. This is the first problem, right? So if I want to find the angle, no, the first thing like is to write the formula, that is cos theta is equals to, so two vectors has been given, so that is A dot B by modulus of A and modulus of B, or mod A mod B. Okay, so modulus means what I should do, I should take the root over the given values. So here the values is given like I cap plus j cap and B is equals to I cap minus j cap. So here the dot product I cap plus j cap dot I cap minus j cap, and modulus of A means under root of the value before I is 1 and value before j is 1. So it is 1 square plus 1 square, again under root of, same for B, it is 1 square plus minus 1 the whole square. So it will be like dot product, no, so I cap I, we know that I cap I is equals to 1. Similarly for j, k also, k dot k is 1. If I do I cap dot j cap, it is 0. I cap cross j cap is k cap. Okay, so here it is I dot j 1, again I dot j, I dot I is 1, I dot j is 0, again j dot I is 0, j dot j is 1. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 divided by root 2 into root 2. So 0 by something is, again it is 0. So the angle like cos theta is equals to 0. So where theta is equals to cos inverse of 0, right? So what is the angle? Final answer, cos 0, it is 90 degree. Like 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1 is the value for sine. If I reverse it, it is for cos. So at 0 is coming at 90 degree. So cos angle is 90 degree. So theta will be equals to 90. This is the answer for the first question. So whenever they are asking the angle between the vectors, this is how you will find. So A dot B is by modulus of A modulus of B. The next question, if a vector has a magnitude 10 units and makes 45 degree with x axis. So here what they are saying, it is making 45 degree with x axis they are saying. So this is y axis and this is x axis. So making 45 degree. This will represent, no, so it is 10 units. So I will write this is 10. What is the unit vector in that direction? They are asking about unit vector. Unit vector means the value will be equals to 1. Okay, so in that direction they are asking, so it will be I cap plus j cap, that's it. See, cos theta, or let me write it, ux is equals to u cos theta. Okay, see when I take the components, no, this is my, let me consider this is a, okay, so ax a, okay, this is ay and this will be my ax, right? So when I talk about the cos theta, no, so cos theta will be equals to opposite by hypotenuse or adjacent by hypotenuse? It is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is a. So we are talking about the unit vector, right? So unit is 1. So I will write it here. So ax is equals to 1. What is the angle? 45. So 1 by root 2. So the value is 1 by root 2 I cap for Ax. Similarly for Ay, Ay is equals to A sin theta. So where A is 1 and sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So the value is 1 by root 2 j cap. So the final answer will be like 1 by root 2 I cap plus 1 by root 2 j cap. This is the answer. So if they are asking simply about what is the vector in that direction, I can say that it is 10 by root 2 I cap plus 10 by root 2 j cap. They are asking about the unit, no? So whenever reading the question, read it properly. So they are mentioning the unit. Okay. Next one, two vectors 3i plus 2j and minus I plus 4j are added. First the vector had been added. So let me consider this is vector A and this vector as B. Find the magnitude and direction. So do this question and tell me. First you add the A plus B, R is equals to A plus B. Then I need to find the direction and then magnitude. Three I plus 2j minus I plus 4j. Yeah. Three I plus 2j minus I plus 4j. This is the given question. Let me consider this is A and this is B. I need to add the both vectors. So first R is equals to A plus B, where A is nothing but 3i cap plus 2j cap plus minus I cap plus 4j cap. So if I add it, no, I and I, that is 2i cap plus 6j cap. This is the first thing. So the second thing what they are saying, find the magnitude and direction of the resultant vector. Now magnitude in the sense R is equals to under root of 2 square plus 6 square. So which is nothing but 4 plus 36 is under root of 40. Okay, this is the first thing. The second thing, the angle, like tan theta is equals to y by x. That is, what is the value of y here? 6 and the x is 2. So 6 by 2. So theta will be equals to tan inverse of 3. Understood? So this is the angle. If I want to find the direction, no, see, take the graph. So one is positive x axis, one is positive y axis. So the direction will be in positive x and positive y direction. This is the direction. Okay. So this is how we will find the resultant and magnitude. If they are asking about the angle, tan theta is equals to y by x. Next question, a particle moves from 10 meter east, then 10 meter north. Find the magnitude and magnitude of displacement. So initially the position was 10 meter east, next the position was 10 meter north, and I need to find the magnitude of displacement. Okay. So listen. So this is the compass, right? North, east, south and west. So they are saying that 10 meter east, right? Then 10 meter north. Is this looking like a vector 1, vector 2? So I can say it is I can apply triangle law, no? So this will be my resultant vector. So R is equals to under root of 10 square plus 10 square, which is nothing but 100 plus 100. So it is under root of 200 where I can say 10 root 2. Okay. So, this is my resultant vector and the direction will be north east. North east is the direction. So, now the next question, differentiate y is equals to sine of 3x square plus 2x. So, do this and tell me the answer. First question, differentiation. So, after this class now we will start with units and dimensions, significance figure, physical world, everything, okay, and then we will start with motion in a straight line and then motion in a plane. Okay, this is the final class of the basic mathematics, right. So, what is the answer for the first question, differentiation? Y is equals to sine of 3x square plus 2x. So, if I differentiate sin x, what is the answer? It is cos. So, dy by dx is equals to cos of 3x square plus 2x. Again I should differentiate this one, no? What is the differentiation of this one? 6x plus 2. This is the answer for the first question. So, if I talk about the second question, no, x square plus y square has been given, x square plus y square equals to 25. So, these kind of cases, no, like x square, if I differentiate x square, it is 2x. So, if I differentiate y square, no, plus 2y with respect to I am differentiating again dy by dx. Okay. So, if I see this one 2x, again differentiation of x is 1. So, that is why, okay, is equals to 0. So, dy by dx is equals to, if I take this 2x this side, it is minus 2x, this is by 2y. So, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So, minus x by y is the answer. Okay. Yeah, it's correct answer, man. Yeah, Rajendra, this is the final class, man, of the basic mathematics. So, I given the questions for your confidence to improve in this basics. Yeah, we will start the class from Monday of the unit 1, that is physical world and dimensions, okay. Yeah. So, what is the third one answer? X is equals to a cos t, y is equals to a sin t. See, I have told you, no, like two variables are there, x and t. So, if I differentiate, no, like this is the thing with respect to differentiate, that is the t. Okay. So, dx by dt will be coming. So, if I do here, no, so if I differentiate x with respect to t, that is dx by dt, right. Now, keep the constant as it is. What is the differentiation of cos? Minus sin t. So, differentiation of t again 1, leave as it is, then dy by dt is equals to, now a I should keep as it is. What is the differentiation of sin? Cos. So, cos t. So, now they are asking find dy by dx, no. So, dy by dx, if I consider this is equation number 1 and equation number 2, right. So, divide equation 2 by 1. So, dy by dt by dx by dt. So, dt will get cancelled. Now, this is a cos t by minus a sin t. A and a will get cancelled. Cos by sin is cot, so minus cot t is the answer. Okay. Now do the fourth question. Differentiate y is equals to x square plus 1 power x. So I told you when power x is given, no, apply log on both side. Understood? Apply log on both side and give the answer for this. Yeah, give the answer for fourth question, guys, who are watching. So y is equals to x square plus 1 power x. I will write the question here. Y is equals to x square plus 1 power x. So I told whenever this kind of problem is coming, apply log on both side. So apply log on both side. So if I apply, it is log y is equals to log x square plus 1 power x. So when log x power n is there, I can write n into log x, no. So log y is equals to n into, that is x into log x square plus 1. Now differentiate it. So log y, that is 1 by y, differentiation of y is dy by dx with respect to x is equals to, this is in the form of uv. So consider u is equals to x, v is equals to log x square plus 1. So what is the formula for uv? That is uv dash plus v u dash. So first write u as it is, that is x. So what is v dash? That is log. So that is 1 by x square plus 1. Again differentiation of this one is 2x. Right, x square plus 1 and differentiation of that one is 2x plus keep log as it is, that is log x square plus 1, differentiation of x is 1. Right, differentiation of x 1. So this one will be 2x square by x square plus 1 plus log x square plus 1 into, so this y is there, no, if I take this y this side, it will be dy by dx is equals to 2x square plus x, 2x square by x square plus 1 plus log of x square plus 1 into the value of y, x square plus 1 power x. So this is the differentiation for the given question. Yeah, you can do the next question. So integral of sin x dx from 0 to pi. What is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x. So I need to apply from 0 to pi. Yes. So integral of sin x dx, so limit is from 0 to pi. So if I apply integral sin x, that is minus cos x, so limit is from 0 to pi. So first I need to apply the upper limit, that is minus cos pi minus of minus cos 0. Understood? Now what is cos pi? That is cos 180 value, it is minus 1. So minus of minus 1, minus minus will be plus, so cos 0 is 1. So the final answer will be 2. minus of minus will be plus, so 1 plus 1 will be 2. Understood? So this is the fifth question answer. So for what is the answer for the sixth question? If y is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x, find d square y by dx square. What is d square y by dx square? We have seen dy by dx, that is first differentiation. If I want to do the second differentiation, no, that is d square y by dx square. So first do the differentiation for this equation, you will get dy by dx. Keep that equation, again do the differentiation, you will get d square y by dx square, right. Give the answer for the question, y is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Yes, it's double differentiation, man. Like about Bharati Airtel scholarship is like you need to be you not to be exceed 8.5 lakh per annum, like your parents' income. Okay, like one more thing is like you should be residential of India. This is the two main thing. Okay, so then you can apply for that scholarship. Got the answer? Yeah. So dy by dx is equals to, first thing, x cube is nothing but 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is the first differentiation. If I take the equation and do the second differentiation, means d square y by dx square will be equals to, again 6x minus 6. The constant differentiation is 0. So this is the final answer. Understood? Take it. Take the second, yeah, seventh question, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh question. Do the seventh question. I told whenever the area is given, like area is asked, I need to find the integration, right? See, for example, they have given that y is equals to 3x, right? From x is equals to 1 to x is equals to 4. I will take the new slide here. So y is equals to 3x. Let me consider if x is equals to 0, what is the y value? 0. This is the first. Second one is if x is equals to 1, y will be 3. Third one, if x is equals to 2, y will be 6. If x is equals to 3, y will be my 9, right. If I take a graph like this, y, x, this is 0, 0, right, first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly here. Next one is 1, 3. So plot the graph 1, 3. This is the point. So point number A, point B, 2, 6. So 2, 6. Next one is 3, 9. So 3, 9 will be somewhere here, right. If I consider x is equals to minus 1, what is the answer? Y is equals to minus 3, right. So if I extend like this one, no, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So the point will be around here, right. If I join the points, no, it will be going like this, right. And they asked that I need to find the area from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to, Yeah, 1 to 4. X is equals to 1 and 4. So this will be my 1, right? 4 will be around like this. Four, 5, right? So almost I need to find this area. If I see here, no, this is uneven, right? Whenever this kind of graph is there, if they are asking about the area, simply take the integral. Okay, integration from 1 to 4. So y is equals to integral of 1 to 4 3x, right? So what is the integration of 3x? 3x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So from 1 to 4. So what is the answer? 3x square by 2 from 1 to 4, which is equals to 3 4 square by 2 minus 3 1 square by 2. So 4 square is 16, 16 3s are 48, 16 32 48, right? So 48 by 2 minus again 3 by 2. So answer will be 45 by 2. This is the area, or 22.5, right? Yeah, you are correct, man. King of kings. Ah, yes, yeah, dropper can be applied for that scholarship. So it's like open for the first year student whoever joining the college. Okay, let me go for the last question here. So integrate x square plus x plus 1 of dx from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 1. It is a simple integration, no? See, integral from 0 to 1, right? 0 to 1, x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so what is the integration of x square? That is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, right? So x cube by 3 plus again x square by 2 plus integration of constant with respect to the variable x is x. So from 0 to 1. So if I apply the upper limit, no, so 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, again the lower limit minus 0 by 3 plus 0 by 2 plus 0. So total value will be 0 here. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, right? So LCM is 6. So 2 plus 3 plus 6, which is nothing but 9, 11. 11 by 6 is the answer. Okay, this is the final answer for the question. Now we will go for the next slide. Some more question we will see. See, this question is based on the kinematic equation. I will give the equation here. V is equals to u plus at, first equation. Next equation is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Third equation is s is equals to ut plus of at square. I give a rough idea about this and give the answer for this one. So a particle starts from rest. So starts from rest in the sense u will be 0 and accelerate at 3 meter per second square for 6 seconds. So u is given, a is given, t is given. I need to find the distance. Distance in the sense yes. So this is about the first question. Second question, a particle covers 80 meter. So they given that the value s in 4 seconds t with constant acceleration. Initial velocity is 5 meter per second. Okay, find the acceleration. I need to find the acceleration in this case. So for the first question, what is the equation I can use? Acceleration is given. I need to find the distance. T is given, A is given. S is equals to ut plus half at square. Equation number 3 I can apply. For the second question, 80 meter, like S is given, T is given, acceleration I need to find, and velocity is given. Same. Third equation, like velocity is given, no, yeah, time is given, yes, of at, like A I need to find, S is given 80 meter, again T is given. Now the third question, a body thrown vertically upward. In this case, no, a body has been thrown vertically upward and reaches maximum height in 3 seconds. So let me consider this is my maximum height. So maximum height means where the object loses its velocity, right? Velocity will be equals to 0. So initially there will be some velocity, right? Without velocity I can't throw any object, right? I need to apply velocity. So after going upward, like this is the maximum height, h max. So time is given that 3 seconds. Find the initial velocity. I need to find the initial velocity and how much distance it has been travelled. Okay. So what I can use? See, for these cases, no, gravity is acting towards down, right? What is the value here? Let me consider 10 meter per second square approximately. If it is going up, no, it is minus g, right? Opposite side. So gravity, that is acceleration is given, time is given, final velocity we know, that is v is equals to 0. So can I apply the first equation? I can find the initial velocity. After finding initial velocity, I need to find what is the maximum height, that is distance travelled, right? So I can either use this one or this one. I know final velocity, initial velocity I have found out, 2, A is there, that is gravity, S is there, right? Understood? I can use the second equation. A third equation, if you see, yes, I need to find u, I have found out, t they have given 3 seconds, plus of, that is g is given, t square. So either I can use second equation or third equation. So totally the 3 equations are applicable in this question, right? The last question, bus is moving at 20 meter per second, decelerate uniformly and stops in 10 seconds. What is the meaning of decelerate? Acceleration means I am increasing his speed, right? Decelerate means I am decreasing his speed. So A will, like this one I should consider as minus A. So find retardation and distance. Retardation means the opposite of the acceleration, no, that is minus A, and the distance I need to find. So give the answer for these 4 questions. I have given the rough idea about this, no, give the answer. Yeah guys, you can give the answer in the comment boxes for these questions. Okay guys, like I'll give a separate video about the Bharati Airtel scholarship, okay? Like who can apply and what is the eligibility for those things, okay? Yeah, so u is given, A is there, like first thing we will write the u is equals to, or let me take the same slide, okay, eraser, see a particle starts from rest, that is u is equals to 0, accelerate 3 meter per second square, A is equals to 3 meter per second square. I need to find the distance in 6 seconds. So what is the formula? S is equals to ut plus of at square. So where u is 0, so u into something will be again 0. So I can eliminate this one, plus of a is 3 and 6 square, t is 6 square, no. So this is half into 3 into 36, so 2 18. So 18 3s are, what is the answer? 54. What is this distance? No, it is meter. 54 meter is the answer for the first question. Yeah. We'll do for the next question now. Yeah. So particle covers 80 meter. S is equals to 80 meter in 4 seconds, right? So t is equals to 4 with a constant acceleration. Initial velocity, like velocity is given that 5 meter per second. Find the acceleration. What is the equation? S is equals to ut plus of 80 square. So S is 80, u is 5 into the time is 4 plus half into a I should keep as it is, again 4 square, right? Time is 4 square. So 80 is equals to 5 4s are 20, 20 plus this is 16, no, 4 square 16, 16 by 2 8, so 8a. So 80 minus 20, if I take this 8 now, divide by 8, which is nothing but equals to a. So 60 by 8 is the acceleration. So which is nothing but meter per second square, right? 60 meter, I mean 60 by 80, so 60 by 8 meter per second square. So what about the next question? A body thrown vertically upward reaches the maximum height. Yeah, we will do that question here. A body thrown upward, v will be equals to 0. I need to find what is u. The distance I need to find, no, maximum height. So distance also I need to find. So time is given as 3 seconds. So I need to find the distance also. So first equation I can use, v is equals to u plus at, where this is my gravity. I am throwing opposite to the gravity, that will be minus g. So v is 0 is equals to u minus, no, minus g, no. So minus g, that is 10, 3. So u will be, if I take this side, it will be plus. So 30 meter per second. So this is my initial velocity. Now they are asking about the maximum height. What is that formula? S is equals to ut plus of at square. So u is 30, a is 3 plus half into minus 10 into 3 square. So 1 5. So 3 into 30 90 minus 3 square is 9, 9 5s are 45. Okay, this is the answer. Next one, a bus moving at 20 meter per second decelerate. Okay, so moving 20 meter per second, u is equals to 20 meter per second, decelerate, that is a I need to find the retardation and distance. So stops in 10 seconds. What is the equation I can apply here? What is? So equations are like v is equals to u plus at, s is equals to ut plus of at square, v square minus u square equals to 2as, right? So which equation I can apply here in this? bus moving 20 meter per second, first one, decelerate uniformly and stops in 10 seconds. Find the retardational distance. Retardation, like stops, no, stops in the sense v is equals to 0. So first equation I can apply? No. Second equation I can apply for this one to find the distance. In the first equation I can apply, no, to find acceleration. Yes, no? Yeah. So v is there, 0 is equals to what is u? 20 minus a, no, retardation, no, a, t is 10. So a will be my, I will keep the equation as it is, plus only. Okay. So 20 minus 20 by 10. So minus 2 meter per second square. Understood? So this is the acceleration, first one. Distance I need to find, no. Which equation I can use? Second equation. Okay. S is equals to u is 20 time 10 is given plus half into retardation, that is minus 2 and 10 square. Right. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So this is 200 minus 100, I mean 10 square is 100. So which is nothing but 100 meter. Or else I can use this third equation also, no. V square is 0 minus u square, that is 20, no, 20. Again this one will be 2 into, yeah, I will write it here. So minus 20 whole square is equals to 2 into minus 2 into s. So minus and minus will get cancelled. So 20 square is 400 divided by 4 is equals to s, no, 4 will get cancelled. So s is equals to 100 meter. So am I getting same answer? Yeah. So whatever equation I am using, I am getting the same answer. So this is the basic concept which we are going to use in the kinematics. Okay. Okay. We will see in the next class, guys. Okay.